Hi, this is Jason with Dave's Computer Tips with another how-to video for you. This one's on how to change ChatGPT's personality. That's right, you can change its personality and the way it interacts with you, and it's really fun. I'll have to show you in this video. Last week we actually went over how to stop ChatGPT from sending you notifications all the time, because that's really annoying to me. So you can check that out. I'll put the link down below so you can check out last week's one. But this week's we're going to go how to change ChatGPT's personality. I think it's kind of fun, and we'll get started here in a minute. But before we get going, hit the like on this video. It really helps our channel. Hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos we come out with every Thursday. Every Thursday I come out with something new, so keep checking back and keep learning with me. All right, let's get this started. So the first thing, I'm showing you how to do this on the my computer on Google Chrome, doesn't matter, but it's going to be on the chatgpt.com. That's how I'm going to show you how to do this, not on the app. So we're going to go to our account in ChatGPT. Here it is. So when you get in here and you're signed into your account, you're going to look to the left menu with all these fun stuff over here. And then you're going to go down until you see your name at the bottom, and you're going to click on that, and it's going to give this little menu. We were looking for, so we can go here, but I want to go this way so you can see the steps through settings. So we can click on settings, and then settings comes up, and you're going to see all this here. You're under general. Always start at general. You're going to go down two more, and then you're going to go personalization. That's what we want. So click on that. So here it is. This is where all the magic happens, when how the its personality is pretty much set up. So you have base, style, and tone. So the tone of it. Set the style and tone of how ChatGPT responds to you. This doesn't impact ChatGPT's capabilities. It's true, it doesn't. So if you click here, it will give you options. Right now it's on the preset style. Don't know what their preset style is. I think it's just standard. But you have professional, polished, friendly, warm, chatty. That's a friend, basically. Candid, direct, and encouraging. Direct, I don't know about. Quirky, you can have a quirky one. Well, that'd be interesting. Efficient and cynical. Now, cynical would be more fun. I think I should have my brother set his up like that. He'd get a kick out of that one. But yeah, you choose one of these, and then once you choose, I'm gonna go with. We're just gonna change it. So now it's changed. Okay, now right here, characteristics. Choose additional customizations on top of your base, style, and tone. So right here, you got warm, which is really, you want it more friendly or more personable, or do you want it less, more professional and factual? So you can change that if you want. Enthusiastic, which is basically more energy, more excitement, and then you have calmer and more neutral. So just go down through here, figure out what you want and mess with it, because it might come out like you didn't want it to be. So you can always come back in here and change it. So, headers makes it more clear formatting and stuff like that. And I actually like that, so I'm going to say more formatting. I like formatting. And then emoji, which is really weird. I didn't know this was an option. Use more emoji. I don't know if I can handle that. I think younger generation probably would like that, and I would be so upset at doing that. So choose that, and then you can do custom instructions. You can add additional behavior, styles, and tone tone preferences, which I get to be clear on that. You can add that in here by just typing in something, because it is AI, so it should be able to figure out what you're saying. And then if you want to, this is the other part I think is important. This is the main part. This is how you change its personality. If you want to give it a little bit more, you can give yourself a nickname so it calls you by that. You can give it your occupation, so it basically takes that and plays into when it's talking to you, interacts with you a little different. More about you, and give you interest, values, and stuff like that. So that's how you can change the personality of it. Down here is a few other options you can check out under personalization. References, saved memory. You can mess with this. I'm not going to go too much into these ones, but this is the main one I wanted to go through. It's the one that really changes the personality towards you. And that's it. That's how easy it is to do it on chatgpt.com. You can try it on your app, and I think it's probably just as easy. It's pretty straightforward. They don't really change directions. You just have to find the same menu and go the same way. So that's it. That's how easy it is to do. So make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out davescomputertips.com. That's where all our articles are, and also make sure you subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.